Hello everyone, welcome to the Statistics Bio 7. The channel fully focused on the biostatistics data analysis and data visualization related video post on the channel. If you like the channel video, click to the subscription button and support to me, join to our channel membership. Let's go to the video. Now we are the discussion for the topic how to create a multiple grouped box plot in RStudio. So the one of the important packages in visualization for the RStudio ggplot2. So first installed the packages for the ggplot2. So enter the command in the console sections installed package. Double oppositor ggplot2. Click to the enter. Now installed for the ggplot2. So complete the installation package and the next for active the ggplot2 enter the command library ggplot2. Okay, now imported to our data set the right side corner top menu environmental selected and import data set option. Click then open for the from Excel options because I choose for the Excel file import. So click to the browse button, then open the directory, then click to the our Excel file plant growth experiment. Click to the open. Now view for our data. We take for the three variables. The first one for the treatment and the second one for the site and third one for the plant height. So we take the different treatment for the control and the second one for the fertilizer, third one for the pesticide, and the three different the site A and the site B and site C. So the different the plant height for the treatment and the site locations. Then click to the import button in our data imported. So now the created in the multiple grouped box plot. So enter the command in the console sections ggplot2 enter the plant data access click then x is equal to the treatment and the y is equal to plant height. Okay, then fill size site, then continue command. So use the plus symbol, then click to the enter, then the geometry box plot, select the geometry box plot and the outlier color is red, double oppositor red color, then outlier safe, (16), then outlier size 2, then continue command. So use plus symbol, then enter lab, then the enter to the multiple grouped box plot title. So enter the title in our the graph title a grouped box plot plant height by the treatment and site. So use the double oppositor. So enter the name, site, then comma, then hs, the name for the treatment type. Use the double oppositor treatment. Type, then y-axis name, y is equal to plant height, the unit centimeter. Okay, then continue. They use the command for the plus symbol. Click to the enter. The theme minimal. Enter the command. Then use the plus symbol for the closed brackets. Click to the enter and the theme. Then plot title. Select the plot title. The element text. Select the element text. The host. Select the enter and size 0.5. Then comma, the face, select and the bold and the size 14. Then close bracket after enter the comma. Access title, access dot text, dot x selected and the element text, select the angle 30 and the comma and the widget, select and 0.8. Then click to the enter. So now the created in the plot options, click to the zoom button. The view in our graph, grouped box plot, plant height by the treatment and site. So axis is for the treatment type, the different type treatment in the control, fertilizer and pesticide, and the legend options in the present and the right side, the site A, B, C, and the y-axis the present in the title, the plant height, the unit for the centimeter. So this is for the creating method in the multiple grouped box plot in the RStudio. If you want this the full script, I will upload for our website. That link mentioned to this video description box. And any doubt on this video, leave me comments in the comment box. I will reply to you. And if you like this video, click to the subscription button and support to me. Join to our channel membership. Thank you for watching this video.